sa job. Do your job, we do our job. Sige. Ang mo lang ay I'm not a politician, but I am a public servant. Everybody should learn this alarming activity. Dahil na kayo na ako, sige. Hindi. You know what, I action right ako.
I would like also to give a commitment dito sa pag-implement ito dito sa ating ating office. As ever mga assistant, the PNP sa private school, they will implement yung mga closures with different establishments. Just give the order and accompany natin implement natin kung anong dapat.
The educational institution also, the Honorable Ranoco can convene all of us so that we can have our own little way to deal with in the municipal level also. Inaalam ang utunggingon po ko ni Dr. Ratan na na-BDI. So, na naman ganito yung mga check-up in short so that we could deal with in our own little way in the implementation of this
Thank you. Thank you, Father. We will recommend that to refer that matter to Honorable Ranoco at Committee Chair on Education. Honorable Ranoco.
Salamat po ni Father regarding. So, in fact, I have a plan. I-call ako ng school dari San Francisco because of I have program this April regarding sa tikang telescope. So, before i-call ako. Nana ko i-call na itapok ko ng school institution dari sa Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And I'm very happy na bitawag ko diri. And this I just want to find na may commitment lang i-implement daw ito inyong mga gipagkuan, and I'm inastriktuhan ako na, pero it's not 100% magiging nga ma-monitor ginawa tanan, di ba? So I hope lang kung namin mga kaning makita nga downside, try to consider na lang just even sa minimal part of it na lang it's not 100% nga ma-comply mo ginawa tanan. Thank you.
The licensing officer is not here. That's why Major is not answer you. Ang atong licensing officer na ako sa Manila. So, if ever, I will ask him to visit you. Okay, I will go with him and try to para